Hey guys, long time no see. I'm gonna start doing plan with me's again, and I'm gonna do them two ways. I'm gonna do on my butterfly planner channel, talk through ones, and then on my Life Melissa style, there will be sped through ones. For Life Melissa style, if you're watching this right now, then this will be the only one that has a little bit of talking in it. The rest will be all just straight sped through and music. So anyways, let's get to the plan with me. I am using this kit from my shop. It is Pink Snowflakes, and it's supposed to snow tomorrow. It's Monday right now, or Tuesday, sheesh, in Oklahoma. If you didn't know, I literally about not even 2 weeks ago moved to Oklahoma. So snow is a new thing for this LA girl. I also have this cute little sampler from the Beautiful Mess Co., a sampler from my shop, and then some foil that I may use from the Planting Roses Advent calendar. So I think it's so pretty. This is my new planner I started using in January, and it is an A5 Kiki K Rose Gold. This was given to me by my friend Yuxing, who owns Kubo and Lucy. I still need to fill this out for last week, but I think it turned out so pretty. But this is this week, and I'm using inserts from Sweet Quiet Design. I'm really loving having the space, but not having too much space, you know. Also, please forgive my setup. I'm still working on it and still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I don't have my normal tripod, that's why you see these. And I'm very out of practice with this, so yeah, let's see how this goes. But hopefully you guys will understand. I really need something under me, but I think like literally most of our stuff is in storage, so it kind of makes it hard to do things like this. I would normally use my slice tool for this part, but because I don't have a hard surface under me, I am going to use scissors, so they're not going to be as straight as I would like, but that is okay. You will forgive me, right? So yeah, I moved to Oklahoma. A lot of people, their first reaction is like, why? Which I kind of find as being rude. Like if someone tells you they're moving, don't say it like disgustingly, like why? They obviously have a good reason, and they obviously like that place. That's why they're moving there. Unless you hear them be like, oh, I have to, or whatever, then I would be like, what do you call it? Then you can kind of be like, why? But I really found like a lot of people just were like automatically like, ew. And I was like, thanks. But anyways, so I was gonna get white out. Where is the, because I was gonna put this on top. So I need the white out, which is luckily fairly close. If you see my head or anything like that, I apologize. Like I said, it's been a really long time since I filmed anything like this. But anyways, I moved with my dad. We're currently living together in an apartment while he finds a house to buy and I find a job and all that kind of stuff. Can't multitask anymore, and I'm not doing a great job. Oh well. Anyways, so like I said, he we moved here because I just wasn't finding teaching jobs, and he lost his job, and my dad is in his 60s, so it's really hard for him to find like a real work because no one wants to train someone that's getting ready to is at the age of retiring, which I get, but at the same time it's really annoying. So my sister, like, we didn't just like randomly pick Oklahoma. My sister has lived here for about 20 years, and she lives here with her husband and my nephews. So we moved here because we're like, well, we will just go and be with them because that's family, and the cost of living is so much less than California. So my dad sold his house. It took a while, but he did sell his house, and then on Martin Luther King Jr. Day, we packed up a U-Haul. We had sold almost everything. Not sold. We gave away. Like, I gave away all my old furniture. I could have sold it, but I kind of felt like, one, that would take longer, and two, most of it was like 10 years or more, in an okay condition, but not enough where I thought I could sell it or felt like it was okay to sell, you know? So, well, that would have been bad. So, yeah. We did that, and then took about 3 full days, but like 4 actual days because we started late on Monday, and drove out to Oklahoma. And this is so crooked, but oh well, I can't take it up. It will rip it. Anyways, so that's that. We have an apartment, and for now, well, like I said, he finds what he's going to do, where he's going to live. He's still debating whether or not he's going to buy multiple properties versus, and then like rent one out. So yeah, and I'm just looking for work, and I could teach here, and I know I could easily find a teaching job. And this might sound a little crazy, but I don't know if I really want to teach anymore. It's not that I don't love teaching, because I do. I really love working with kids and watching them learn and enjoy watching them learn. But the amount of pay that you get for the amount of work that you put in and the amount of BS that you have to deal with is just not what I'm like. I just don't think it's worth it. Especially here in Oklahoma, the teachers here just are extremely underpaid. And like, you just hear constantly that they have 3 and 4 jobs, 2 and 3 jobs. And I'm just not about that. I'm in my late 30s, and I don't want to be spending every waking hour working, like, I would love for the shop to like be my full-time job, and that is still my goal. This year I'm really gonna work on making that happen. Oklahoma is a little more forgiving with things like prices for craft shows, like to be in them. California is ridiculously expensive, and yeah, just not really feasible to do. Like, it's like $1,000 to do like a really small one, and so you kind of have to be already really established to be able to do them, versus Oklahoma, there's a lot of like little ones, which is cool. So I think for here I'm gonna put Snowflakes Are Kisses from Heaven, just because it's going to snow and I think it would be cute. Ooh, this is not cut the greatest. Oh well, there we go. So I'm gonna try and do this. I'm not the greatest at overlaying stickers like this. There we go. Woo, pretty. Anyways, like I was saying, so I'm kind of looking to see what other jobs I can do just because. So, yeah. Trying to think what else is going on. I meant to do 2 layers of this so I could do it under there, but that's okay. I will figure it out when I plan for the week. Trying to think what else is going on. There's so much going on. I just did a art thing with my sister, which again, if I had done something, like it was $40, which is a lot, but I got to do it on a piece of wood, and I'll try and insert a picture here of it, but it was really cool, and it's local, and I've already signed up for another one in a few weeks, so it was really fun to do that with my sister, and something like that in LA would be like twice as much, so I'm just happy like I can do things that don't cost as much, you know, here. Let's see what else. Oh, I cannot sit like this. I'm sitting on the floor cross-legged and I have bad knees, so okay, now we have our base done. I did, like I said, today's Tuesday, so I can fill in Monday. I've been sick, so that is, I can put that in. Sunday I had like such a bad migraine from it that it was not fun. I thought I was going to throw up, like, to be honest. I'm going to layer 2 stickers together. I think they're cute. Actually, I'm going to switch. I was going to use this one, but he's already holding a tissue box. So I'm going to use the fever one. So I'm going to use a fever Tigaro and a sick day sticker. This is from The Beautiful Mess. I'm just going to put it up in this little corner, like so. Because I really didn't do much. I did go to the grocery store to get water because we were out of water. So I'm gonna grab this gray one. I'm gonna put it down here for that. And then I really just didn't do much. Oh, I picked up my piece of art and took my sister's to her. Maybe I can move. I don't know if I can move this without tearing the paper. I tore it. It was so close. So close, people. There we go. So I'm gonna put that here because it was really a really non-adventurous day. And then I'm gonna take this one and put it over. Oh, I don't like that these are by themselves, but next to each other, but oh well. Okay. Today, we're gonna do grocery shopping again. I swear we're at like the grocery store every freaking day. But we're gonna do like Aldi, which I've never been to Aldi because we don't have any close where I used to live. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put that I filmed. So I have to find my film stickers. I know I have a bunch. Here we go. I'm going to use this one here. Oh, I want to put that it's raining too. Hold on. Today is like a big to-do day. Here, I'll let you see what I'm doing. I'm looking for my rain stickers. I'm pretty sure they're in this one. No, they're not. They got moved to the bigger one because I have new ones from other shops that stick out. I really need to reorganize my stuff. There they are. I think I'm gonna use these ones. I never thought I'd use snow ones, but I guess I get to tomorrow. Things I thought I would never use. So I'm gonna put this guy up there. I like to just put him up in the corner so it kind of denotes like, oh, rain. I may not do that anymore because I kind of did it in LA because we didn't get a lot of rain. So for filming, I'm gonna take one of these guys and just flip it backwards and then cover up and do that, and I'll just put plan with me. Like I said, we're gonna go to the grocery store, so let's find a grocery sticker. I think I'm gonna use this generic shopping one from that is a Tigaro. I think it's super cute. And put him here, and then just put the stores we go to. Oh yeah, last night I read. I'm trying to get back into reading. If you follow my Instagram, which if you're not, I don't know why you're not. I did a blind date with a book. So I'm reading Coraline, which I didn't even know was an actual book. So that's cool. I also have orders to fill and cleaning to do. So I might go into this part because there's a lot to do today. I'm gonna put this one here. This is also from The Beautiful Mess. I think it's cute, simple. Okay, tomorrow I don't have any plans. I just noticed that's crooked. Thursday I don't have any plans that I can think of right now. And Friday, what do I have? Oh, we might, I don't want to say it because my sister might watch this. I really highly doubt she will, but she might, so I'm not going to say anything. But Saturday is a big day for me. I have a basketball game to go to. That is my nephew. He plays a basketball. And then my friend from California, her son does speech and debate. And she booked, when she found out we were moving, she booked a speech and debate tournament in Kansas City. Well, it's actually in Hutchinson. So she's flying in to Kansas City tomorrow. I'm gonna drive up to Hutchinson, Kansas, because it's only like 3 hours away, and meet her. She's staying over later, so she's gonna fly out Monday. The tournament ends Saturday, so I'll go and hang out with her then, and then we'll go and hang out all Sunday, which is really cool because she's my best friend from California, so it'll be really nice to see her. So I'm gonna put that I'm driving to Kansas to see Amanda. Which one should I use? I'll use this one. And I know which sticker I'm gonna use. I have new stickers coming out soon. I have an idea for a new character sticker, which I'm really, really excited about. I haven't had a new character in a very long time. For those that didn't know, I'm gonna use these ones. It says toffee bananas, but it's papery something. I always forget what it exactly is, but everyone knows who she is. Anyways, I'm going to put that one there because it goes with the color scheme. And then Sunday we're just going to play and have fun. So I'm gonna leave it blank because I'll probably just fill it in later so I know. But yeah, that is my week so far. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. Actually, let me throw these in my planner so that you can see them. If you want to see like a flip through of my planner, I do them fairly regularly on, well, I'm trying to do them fairly regularly on Instagram. So yeah, here's what it looks like in the planner without any writing on it, and I think it's so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!